Hey man, it's April 19th, and what are we doing today?
We are waiting on a vintage VW convoy to come through.
Yeah, so SambaScenic on Instagram, they are hosting a cruise through Apopka, Mount Dora, Umatilla, Altoona, a bunch of different places. It goes all the way to, I believe, the Mill Dam, and we're gonna chill there for a little bit, and then we end at the Yalaha Bakery. We're here with the 66 Wannabe, and we didn't want to go all the way to Apopka because we're close to Altoona. And we're sitting here waiting for them to pass by, and then we're gonna hop in the convoy and cruise all the way to Mill Dam. The 66 Wannabe just had its oil changed, valve adjustment. My G-Man here. New valve covers.
New
Thanks
breather.
to VW Factory for the valve covers back at Bug Jam last year. I picked those up. We missed VW Factory, but thank you, Nicole. At Lakeland, he found this breather, which is the MP breather and fill tower. Instead of like brand new with all the items, it was missing the oil fill adapter nut, which the stock one is not long enough. Our good buddy Rob at MP, he put me in contact with the tech department, and I spoke to a great gentleman named Henry, and Henry sent me out the oil fill nut and then also the gasket that goes around the cover. Funny story, we didn't have it fully tightened down, and we just topped off the oil this morning.
It really gave the whole engine a nice shiny look.
So we drove about 35 minutes to the Circle K.
And what residual was sitting in the breather apparently leaked out the bottom of the breather.
Cleaned it all up, we tightened all the Allens, we're good to go, oil's fine. I think we're ready.
Let's roll.
We got the top back, we got Mama Bucket in the back.
Where them dubs at?
Where them dubs at? Change of plans. Somebody went the wrong direction, so we're headed to meet them.
Yeah, apparently everyone followed. Kind of like we did at No Do, No Go.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, the first time. So let's go.
Stay loud, I'll bite the bullet and fake out, so no one knows when I came down.
Well, we're here at the Mill Dam Campground. That's pretty. We worked on that bay window.
Oh yeah, put it back on the road.
Let's bug it. Let's bug it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Distance means nothing to me. I'm living. I don't believe in your systems. Come off the grid with me now. I'm on
Everyone wave and say Backroads!
All right, man. We're headed out. We're leaving the Mill Dam Campground. We're gonna stop and get some gas, some Slurpees. Time to head on out. Well, man, we're definitely not in the Volkswagen anymore.
No.
Had to say a huge thank you to SambaScenic for inviting us. We had such a great time cruising with everybody. There was about 13, 14 cars, I believe. It was fun. Got to see Alex and Alan Adamson. The lake was very nice, and thank you again, Freddie and his family, for the good food. Yes.
Yeah, nice to see the bus again.
It is nice to see the bus that we worked on again. We hope you all enjoyed watching it. Everybody went to Yalaha. We split off in Altoona, went back home, dropped it off. Now we're gonna go get some grub and end off the day.
Time for my grandpa now.
Yeah.